are going to learn about different stuff from our yard. Can you say ball? Ball. Can you say B for bug? Bug. Bug. Can we sing ABC? A, B, C, D, E,
F, G, H,
H,
I, J, K, L,
M,
N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know ours. A, P, T, 6. Time more to sing with me.
Yay! Can you say boat? B, b, boat. Boat. B for boat. B for ball. Good job throwing the ball. Good job. Our letter for today is letter B. Throw the ball. Catch the ball. Throw. Catch it. Throw. Catch the ball. Good job. Mama got it. Yay. Good job. 1, 2, 3. One more. Yay. Oh, I'm sorry. What is this? That's correct. Banana. Banana. Ba. Banana. Banana. What about this? Can you tell me what is this? Watermelon. 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 What about this? Can you tell me what is this? Good job. Avocado. 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 Is horse eat pizza? No. 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 Horse don't eat pizza. Horse eat grass. Yes, grass. Eat pizza? Grass don't eat pizza. No. No, no, no. Yes. Yay. It's what is this? Can you tell Mama what is this? Good job. Is Triceratops eat pizza? No.